we're experiencing a bit of a storm today. It's quite we've got a 35 mile an hour wind, and unfortunately we kind of misjudged the day, and we transplanted the seedlings, watermelon seedlings today, and then literally as they were finishing up, this storm just came through. I don't know if you can really see all these clouds, dark clouds that stand up, but the 35 mile an hour wind is making me worried. So I'm going to have to check the plants, the watermelons which are over there. I'll show you the watermelons in the morning. Hopefully they're going to be okay, because we've just transplanted about 60 watermelon. We did stop transplanting throughout because we just thought I'll just save them in case these ones are damaged by this storm that's coming in. See, guys, I'll give you an update tomorrow and see what the effects of this sandstorm is. Morning, guys. So it's the day after the big storm. Yeah, we're just busy now transplanting the other seedlings, and I'm just going to go now and check how the other ones did after yesterday's storm. So yeah, guys, I'm checking out what the storm has done to the watermelon, and as you can see how much they've been blown and misshapen. The leaves are dried out. I actually feel they might be dead. I feel like we may have actually lost them. And I'll show you now the comparison of the new seedlings and how we plant the new seedlings. But I'll show you the comparison of how they look compared to these. About 35 mile an hour wind, guys. Sand, 36-degree heat sand blowing at new transplanted seedlings. Oh dear, that's a shame. But these were the biggest. These were the biggest actually of the seedlings, the strongest, and yeah, well, as you can see, we have, I don't know, pretty much a graveyard. Let's hope and pray that some of them at least can revive, because this is kind of devastating. I mean, if you just look at the comparison of the new seedlings compared to these ones, the ones are dry and they're crisp, and it sends that 35 mile an hour wind. Is not the one for when you plant seedlings out. So I guess that's something that we already knew. We didn't need to know, but obviously Mother Nature had its own plans yesterday. Didn't realise that this freak sandstorm was going to blow through. Hoping we would actually get rain with it, but we didn't. So it was just basically a sandstorm. So yeah, now I'll just show you the process of how we plant the new seedlings, and actually thank God that we saved a whole bunch of seedlings, so we have some watermelon left over. They'll have a chance to get stronger in the ground before we have another storm. So now we're just marking out a meter, ready to plant all of the seedlings. They need to be a meter apart. So these seedlings are about 2.5 months old. They were planted 25th of September, and Now it's like the 7th of December, so maybe like 2 months. They started flowering in the bag, so we knew they had to come out already. So now we basically, they came from the trays. They started out in trays, then they were moved into these bags, and now they're getting transplanted in the soil. When we transplant, we dig the holes, and then we fill the holes with a solution of a fertilizer, kind of something that helps things transplant easily. It's a brand called Kickstarter. So yeah, we'll fill the holes with 250 ml for each plant, and the tank takes about 60. These watering tanks take 60 ml with a mixture of water, and then 250 milliliters of that will go into each of the holes. Then they'll just be buried. So yeah. Oh, did you see the seedlings in Tate? Oof.
Sun yesterday just destroyed this area.
It's gone.
But let's hope we will succeed.
I'm so thankful we left these. We didn't put these out. Oh. Because look at them, they're crispy. Oh. You think they'll come back?
Yeah, they will come back. They will come back.
Okay guys, so we finished. These are the ones we did yesterday. This one isn't looking so bad. Some of them are looking pretty terrible. So we'll pray that they will recover and come back over the next couple of days. The next few days is going to be quite cloudy. So hopefully it'll be nice, cloudy and mild wind. So maybe they'll have a chance to recover over the next few days. And these are all of the new ones. They're looking good, and hopefully as well with them the next few days will be nice and warm weather. And yeah, we will see some nice growth from them. These next two ridges, they're going to be filled with some sweet peppers, so I may show you that. Basically it'll be the same transplanting process. But yeah guys, I'll give you an update in a couple of weeks. Let's see how these watermelon are doing.